Thalaiva turns 71. Superstar Rajinikanth is all set to ring in his 71st birthday. It's a big day for fans. His birthday of superstar Rajinikanth is no less than a festival for his fans. Fans have planned mega birthday celebrations across the state. Fans gathered outside superstar's residence to celebrate big day with beloved star. In Trichy, Madurai, Coimbatore, special pujas are conducted for Rajinikanth. Rajni was conferred with 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award in October this year by Vice President Venkaiah Naidu for his outstanding contribution to Indian cinema. He's the best known for his out-of-the-ordinary acting style and unique mannerisms on screen and holds a global fan base. Tamil superstar has worked in nearly 160 films, predominantly in the Tamil industry, and is known for his remarkable contribution to the industry. Akshay is now joining us live. Akshay, it's almost like a festival when you have Rajinikanth's birthday. What are the celebrations planned for this year?
Well, we're seeing that a lot of people have gathered here. Many fans have gathered here to wish superstar Rajinikanth on his birthday. Wish superstar Rajinikanth on his birthday. You can see that we're standing right outside Rajini's Poise Garden residence. Rajinikanth, the nameplate can be well seen from here. People have been standing here right from 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. And it needs to be noted, it has been raining very heavily in Chennai every few hours. And despite the rain, many people have been standing in this rain just to wish the superstar a very, very, very happy birthday. I have with me a fan who has been standing here from morning. He has been completely wet but has decided to wish the superstar and only leave. So what is your message for the superstar?
First of all, good morning to everybody else and wish you happy birthday, Thalaiva. Actually, we came over here to see the face of our God. For every birthday we used to come. Still we are waiting for that. Even if it is a rain or a heavy sunshine, whatever it is. My hopeful and I am praying for my God that he should be live for 100 years without any trouble, and he should entertain more 3 or 4 films. Whatever the decisions Thalaiva is taking is our satisfaction.
We've seen that, year after year, on the day of Rajinikanth's birthday, people generally gather like this outside his home, and sometimes he comes out, waves at his fans and wishes them a thankful message for standing there here and waiting for the superstar. So similarly, we're just seeing that people are standing here in the hope that they will be able to see the superstar. Meanwhile, I would also like to show you an interesting bouquet that has been made just out of the chocolates which has been brought here to be given to the superstar. People have been waiting like this for hours together, just waiting to know if the superstar is inside. Different messages are being communicated to the fans here. Some of them have been told that the superstar is not in this residence and is not here. But still, despite all that, people have been waiting. We can see the kind of enthusiasm that has been brought in. Several people are even, bringing in coconuts and pumpkins and bursting it outside the house as a way to remove nazar ya drishti, what we call. And this is the kind of love that the superstar enjoys. He's turning 71 this year, and we have to see all of them are eagerly waiting. All the faces are looking towards the entrance of the house, hoping that the superstar will come out and wave at them. Back to the studio.
All right, thanks so much for joining us, Akshay, with the latest details right there on Rajinikanth's 71st birthday. We're tracing the journey of Thalaiva and his rise to superstardom. Here's all you need to know.
This real-life idol had a very humble beginning. Born Shivaji Rao Gaikwad on 12th December 1950, Rajinikanth was the 4th child of Ramabai and Ramoji Rao Gaikwad, a police constable. His early life was a struggle. Shivaji Rao Gaikwad first started out as a carpenter. He then became a porter and finally landed a job at the Bangalore Transport Service as a bus conductor. But soon, the big screen was calling. So Shivaji Rao Gaikwad boarded a train to Madras and began his journey to becoming Thalaiva. He started out playing small roles, always the villain. His big screen appearance was in K. Balachander's Apurva Ragangal.